Hi there, this is Mo of Mo West Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to hand roll satin flowers. Now you can use ribbon for this, satin ribbon. What I'm going to use is this scrap of satin from a dress that I hemmed to be shorter. So the first thing you do is tie a little knot in one end. And then I'm going to kind of fold mine in half. And then you're going to roll it to get sort of a rosebud shape. Take your hot glue. You can also use a fabric stitch. Put a little dab of glue. Then from here on out, you're going to be twisting away and rolling in. Gluing fairly often, but not too much, just a little dab. Twist away, roll in. Just continue on like that, remembering to glue fairly often. Twist away from you and fold in. See, I'm kind of forming larger petals now at this point. Twist away. When you decide that you are done, cut that tail off. Make your final petal however it feels right to you, and put lots of glue on the back. This has been Mo with Mo West Creations, showing you how to make hand-rolled satin roses. Ciao!